it's Tiffany. Welcome back. I hope you all had a fabulous holiday. Ours was really nice. My kids were happy. We had a great time hanging out and spending time together. So now we're just getting ready for the new year, which is a lot of decluttering and cleaning the house. But I'm on today. This is an incoming swap share. This was the loaded gingerbread hoop swap that was hosted by Mika and Rocky. Thank you, ladies, so much for hosting such a fun swap. So I received my swap a few days ago. It was this week, but because of Christmas, things are pretty hectic. So I want to come on today to share what I received. So this is, I didn't open anything yet. So this is the loaded hoop swap that I received. This is so pretty. Traditional colors, which is so cute. Look at this cute gingerbread tag. You see that? It says Merry Christmas. Oh, here, and it says, to crafty friend from Sabrina. So I received Sabrina's swap. So let me open this one first. Let's go with the small one here. All right, push that to the side. All right, so here she has some pretty organza ribbon. She made a bow. And let's see here. Oh, how cute. So she gifted some of these. You know, these are those Christmas ribbons that are usually bigger, but these are tiny ones in traditional colors. Thank you so much. I'm going to put this in my Christmas supplies for next year because I already put away all my Christmas supplies. I am moving on to Valentine's. Oh, and these are pretty rosettes. And I really love this brown color. It has like a shimmer of gold, if you can see that. How pretty. I love these. I make crepe rosette, paper rosettes, but I don't really like to. I sew mine. I think she sewed hers too. They're time consuming, so I appreciate it when people take the time to do that. And here is, it looks like, oh, this is a cute embellishment box here. I've never seen this square, shape. And she put a nice, this is like a shimmer green cardstock. And then she used a really cute paper collection. I don't know what collection that is. So I'm going to open this up. Oh, and she backed the, in the inside as well. So nice. All right, so here, wow, so many fun goodies. So this first one here, okay, these are brads. I love brads, so this is gonna come in handy definitely next year. Look at all these fun brads, gingerbreads, peppermints, candy canes, and then this the Christmas colors. Love that. I need to work more with traditional colors. I'm always doing like a pink Christmas. I like traditional colors too, but I just don't work with it as much. So I need to learn how to do that. So here are some cabochons here. Look at these nice houses. They're like gingerbread houses, and these candies. So cute. What a neat idea. I have not seen these, this embellishment box. So maybe it's on Temu or Ali. This one here, some mini clothespins. Love that. Ooh, these are like my favorite. I love sweet trees. Look at these cute lollipops. Love them. Got those, and in here, some clay pieces. So you got some gingies here, different ones. And let me just show you here some bells and candy canes. And here you have these miniature Christmas trees. Let me put it the right way. Christmas trees and some candy cane foam stickers. And here is just, these are some sequins. This one has, this is a glitter mix or like a sequence mix. These have candy canes. This one has gingerbread houses, snowflakes, stockings. Cute. And the last one here are some Christmas wreaths. What a neat idea. Thank you so much. Really love this. All right, so let me put this in here. This is gonna go in my bin. I organized all my bins, my swap bins. I have 2 big swap bins, things that people, you know, I receive from swap, so I have to add these in. So here's the hoop. Now she has a card here. So let's open the card. It says crafty friend. Oh, and look at how cute this card is. Gingerbread kisses. I just love the colors. It looks like she used stickles to get that to be shiny. You see that? Or maybe it came like that. I'm not sure, but it's really shiny. This snow on the roof. Handmade with love by Sabrina. I can't read that. I'm sorry. Jesus loves you. Oh, and here's a note. Oh, it's Sabrina Lindstrom Teleria. It says, to crafty friend, I hope you enjoy. I had so much fun making everything. May you have a blessed Christmas and a prosperous new year. Love, Sabrina Lindstrom Teleria. Well, thank you so much, Sabrina. I hope you had a Merry Christmas. Ours was really nice. Let me put this card to the side. Let's open this pretty hoop. All right, so look at that. Look at these felt gingies here. I don't know if she made these or she bought them like this, but that's so pretty. And each gingerbread has a pretty rose and a candy cane or candy cane stick. And this one has a house, peppermint. And this one, it just has the peppermint. Uh-oh, I think it's coming apart. I'm gonna have to glue that. I don't even have my glue gun on. I usually have my glue gun on so I can like fix things as I'm, you know, talking through it. So I'll go ahead and fix that. And here she has a trim. So cute. And then this is the trim from TJ Maxx, or some people found it at Marshall's. Love it. And then she used lace here and a pom-pom trim around the border. You can see that. So pretty. All right, so let's take out the contents here so we can go over everything. Everything looks so cute. All right. Oops. Okay, so this probably came from here, I think. Or no, this one. All right. You know how things get with shipping. All right, so we'll start with these. So here I have 2 candy cane pens, super cute, a red and a green pen. How fun is that? So I got 2 pens. Here's a loose. I saw another one. Here are some bows. She had it loose, just kind of like scattered in the pocket, which is a cute idea. And she used those ribbons, those Christmas ribbons as a center. So pretty. Love it. This here, I guess, is this like, it's a lollipop. I guess it's a chocolate lollipop. So cute. Thank you. Next here, what is this? This is, oh, it's a banner. So we were supposed to put a banner piece. That was one of the requirements. And a sweet treat. So that's her sweet treat. I don't remember all the requirements, but I remember the banner piece. So she actually made a whole banner here. So it says Noel. Look at that. How cute is that? I love the font of the alphabet, the N, and then the O is a ornament there with that cute gingerbread. If you can see that, there's a cute layered bow. The E with the Christmas tree, and then the L with the bow. That is so cute. Thank you so much. Very, very creative. Definitely going to hang this in my craft room next year. Let me put that back in here nicely. Let me take the fruit out. All right. Okay, so next here, these are 2 bows. So cute. So here on a tag, really cute. Look at the centers. A cabochon on a snowflake, the house on a poinsettia. She has some gold threading in the back. Very cute. Nice layering. So let me put this back in here. We don't want these to get lost. All right. Here, okay, we were supposed to do 2 bag toppers, and I think 2 bows. So here are her bag toppers. Let me see. This here has a cute clothespin at the top, like so. So let's take a look at her bag toppers. This is she has on an acetate sheet, and she does. Look at that. And it says, "Oh snap," and gingerbread with that cute gingy again. Very layered. She has it on a paper ruffle to give it some dimension. She has a snowflake on the back in gold. Some Christmas tree cookies, candy cane, some gold threading. Did she sew this? Maybe she sewed it. I can't tell. But yeah, these are so cute. I love it. Definitely, this will be at the top of the bin, so I'm definitely gonna see this when I bring out the bin next year. So we have that, and here are 2 rosettes. So I think this was another requirement. I know it was in pairs, so I guess whatever's in pairs is what was required besides the tag. Look at these. Again, she made crepe rosettes. I love all the cabochons on here and these dimensional stickers. That poinsettia in the back. That's a KS Craft poinsettia, I believe. Look at all of that. Chunky, chunky, chunky. I love it. And then again, she used a tag, which is useful because she didn't put any double-sided tape, so the tag is in a perfect condition, so I can reuse that. I'm gonna put that in there. And this is a cute pocket. Uh-oh. Oh, this is loose. I wonder where this came from. Oh, you know what? It probably came from this right here, because this one has a peppermint. So why don't we just glue this on really quick before I forget. Like so. See? Perfect. All right. So now we know what happened with that. All right. So now this is a cute pocket here. Look at that sugar and spice propped up on foam, her cookies, and that cute clay ginger. So let me see what's in here. And again, she used that same acetate with the snowflakes. Very pretty. Here's, these are die cuts. Were die cuts included? I think so. So here are 2 ornament die cuts. Cute. And here are some snowflakes. So 4 snowflakes there, different ones. So pretty. Here are the 2 cute gingies with that foiled or mirrored cardstock for the bow. And she used a white pen and drew the frosting there. And then she also made the cheeks and the Cute freckles. So cute. Here are, these are cookies. Look at how cute. We got some cookies there. And then she has some shadow word, and she did sew the words. So here you have gingerbread, gingy, oh snap, and kisses. And then the gold threading through the center. How pretty. Those are really nice die cuts. Awesome. All right. So last but not least, I think this is on here, right? All right. Oh yes, we're supposed to make a flag or a pennant or a rosette wand, I think. Right, I think so. So here's her information. Sabrina Lindstrom. Her IG is creative.cassiedesigns, but I'll link her down below. And this is a cute flag here. She has, let's see here, a rickrack and a gold ribbon and an ivory color. She has it on a dowel. And this is a gold glittered paper. And then the layering piece is this pretty green. And then again, that cute gingy with the snowflake, and it says, oh snap. So this is her flag. Isn't that cute? Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Sabrina. It was really nice looking at your creations. I love everything. Thank you again, Mika and Rocky, for hosting. Hope you all have a great day. I look forward to 2025. Have a happy new year, everyone. Stay safe, and I'll be back soon. Bye.